Ever been ready to buy something online, only to be stopped by the hassle of creating yet another account? Well, today I'm going to show you how to bypass that whole Signup process with PayPal's guest checkout, so you can pay quickly and easily without committing to a full account. First, head to the website where you want to make your purchase and proceed to the checkout page. Select PayPal as your payment method and click on the PayPal button. This will take you to the PayPal login page, but don't worry. Look for the option that says something like Pay with Debit or Credit Card or Checkout as Guest. It's usually located below the login fields and click on it. Now, you'll be presented with a form asking for your billing information. Enter your credit or debit card details, including your card number, expiration date, and security code. And make sure to also fill in your billing address, email address, and phone number. Review all the information you've entered to ensure it's correct, and then click the Agree and Continue or similar button to process your payment. And that's it. Once your payment is processed, you'll see a confirmation page, and you should also be redirected back to the merchant's website to view your order confirmation. Keep in mind that guest checkout might have some limitations compared to having a full PayPal account, like not being able to track your purchase history within PayPal. Also, your dispute options might be more limited, and this option may not be available for all merchants or in all countries, but it's a great way to make a quick and secure payment without the commitment. So, next time you see the PayPal button, remember you can often skip the Signup and pay as a guest, making online shopping just a little bit easier.